YouTube, what it do? Lil Petty. Alright, y'all. So this episode, man, I gotta admit, I'm frustrated, man, but at the same time, the stock market, it's all about opportunities. Let's talk about it, man. So, Lil Petty missed the BYND short. The short I've been talking about since back up here. We finally had got this topping, and then we dropped off. Today, I woke up late. Let's look at the chart. I woke up and when I woke up, we were already, I think it was 7:45. I'm not chasing that. I don't care. I'm not chasing that. I want this right here, this drop, and then the follow through. So when I woke up, I seen that BYND sold off. I had those 150 puts, but I didn't hold through. I didn't hold them because I didn't have. I had bought them last week, and I took a small loss on those. But basically, the last two trades I actually took were losses, and I want to go over those. I want to show you guys those trades. So, on this day when we had the pump, I tried to go short. I got squeezed, took a $100 loss, cut my losses, and then the next day it sold off, and my contract that I could have held till this expiration day, it would have made me some money. So I lost on that trade, and then didn't trade the day after, and then today I missed the BYND short, and I was actually looking at it prior that night. I was looking at it because what I was seeing right here is we were coming up, and we were retesting these this I think this simple or this exponential, so this moving average, and we were waiting for that top to come, and the risk was basically it was 160, the risk was 1 to 172, and the reward was down here at 150, and the stock dropped all the way down to 137. So when you're trading momentum, you actually just want to hold through. So you hold, bounce, it never crossed. You stay into the trade. You probably could have got out right here, or you could have held one of your contracts and then wrote it down, and I probably would have locked in profits like right around down here somewhere. But yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. This stock is always going to be volatile. If we do crack, like I said, we are on this downward trend. We could come fill this gap down here to 106, and then I would expect to see a dead cat bounce. But we're gonna be watching BYND closely. Tomorrow is Friday, so the options. I want to show you the options too, because this is how you can make some really good money. So BYND, the stock opened up at 162, and like I said, if you could have been like one. Let's go to the trade, the options. So these 160s, let's look at the 157s, because these opened up around like a 66 cents. So these are pretty cheap, and then even if you would have got in, at $1.52, you had all this room to get some profits. You shot all the way up to $20. So 66 cents to 2,000. That's a huge. Let's look at the percentage. 1,300%. So BYND short was a 1,300% move, even straight from the money. 1,200 out the money. These 20 cents, these probably went like 2,000. Yeah, these went 3,000%. So man, 20 bucks, could have got you a good chunk of money today. So I was a little tight about that. It's all good. You can't make every trade, especially if you don't trade every day. So yeah, that's that was the short that we missed today on BYND. We're not really chasing it, but overall on the daily chart, it does look like we can. If we break this 137, then expect us to come down to this 124, because we got some support right down there, and then we have this gap down here to fill all the way down, really down to 100, but this 108. So we are still going to be watching BYND stock. Let me show you what I'm holding. I'm actually down on my Microsoft. I'm down on this Microsoft trade. I actually bought another call. Stupid, but whatever. Let's go look at that Microsoft real quick. Microsoft is pulling back with the stock market. If we do crack down here, then it's not looking good. I'll probably it'll just be a loss on that trade. Yeah, so a lot of the stocks right now are pulling back. SPY. So with SPY, we got faked out on this one day, and then I missed that short, and then right now we set a doji. So right now we got a doji, an indecision candle. If we break down lower, then yeah, we can go short, but we're gonna have to look. We're gonna have to zoom out. So look, we're gonna have some support. We're basically coming down to support. So if we're gonna crack, then yeah, that's gonna be a good short. But like I just said, this is where you wanted to get in. You get in, lock in, ABC pattern, and I got faked out, man. And I didn't manage my risk as well as I should have. Cause on this day, this pump, I was supposed to get out right here. I got out like all the way up here. And that's just the reality of trading when you got to learn how to really cut your losses at the exact time that you say, okay, if it's not breakdown right here, then we're going to go bullish. But this was a crazy short squeeze, and I know a lot of people got faked out, and then the next day dropped off, and but like we're saying, so with SPY, the index, if we crack this 281, expect us to come down to this 276, 275 area. Expect that. If not, we can come all the way back up to this 289 and still look for the short. So until we get back up here, or if we crack down here, I'm gonna be just holding tight. I'm probably gonna be watching BYND, McDonald's. We'll see how this plays tomorrow. Let's look at the options real quick. So McDonald's for it to get to 220 tomorrow, or 215. Let's look at the chart real quick. Okay, so McDonald's 218, 220, and McDonald's is still holding this bullish pattern. So if we're gonna break, and if McDonald's hit all-time high tomorrow, say for instance if SPY runs up and McDonald's stock hits all-time highs tomorrow, these options right here, these 222s, these 220s are gonna be a good play. If we drop 214, these 215s and 217s are gonna be money. So that's kind of where I'm standing. I'm keeping my active trade list pretty tight. It hasn't changed. I don't trade Netflix. I haven't traded it in a while. I've only traded BYND and SPY and McDonald's and Microsoft. And I'm going to keep Apple on the watch list too. So I think I'm going to wrap this video up. It's getting late. Hopefully I wake up for the market if we have some activity. It looks like Apple could possibly bounce. But if, like I said, if we're gonna have another inside bar day, then that's nothing I'm really looking too much excitement for. I want to see a breakout. So Apple needs to break out of 205 and either come back up to 210, make a $5 move. That'll be a good trade. Or if it breaks down to this 190, it needs to come down to at least this 195. So we want to see moves tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. If we're trading the dailies, be careful. Do not put a lot of money in your account. You can blow up your money. Or, if you get a big move, you can make a lot of money. So, but yeah, man, Lil Petty, man, I thought I'd drop this video, let you guys know the reality. I'm down, $200. So basically almost 100% on this whole trade. But yeah, we're looking to hit. I missed out today on this BYND trade, which is all good, But if tomorrow BYND plays out, you know, something could pop off, and you know, so that's it for this episode, y'all. I'm out, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for the next one.